Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is FREENOW app. So let's get started. So it's an app here. You can see FREENOW. So I will just open it and explain you what is it and what is it is for. So here you have to allow the settings first, and at here you can just sign in with your with your number and your email ID and password. So for here I'm just signing in. Then the app is used for basically from here I can directly search it. Okay, Freedom app. So from here I can see. So basically it's a navigation type of app. Okay, you can use in your cars. It's make the devices for your GPS navigation. You can just put the device in your car and then in a phone it will connect and tell you the location. So this is the app, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.